Hey there, van lifers. Have you ever wondered how to handle all that pesky administration and taxes while living the dream on the road? Well, today we're diving deep into the essentials of managing your mail, dealing with taxes, and registering your vehicle as a full-time van dweller. So buckle up and let's hit the road. We are Xavier and Caroline, and we toured Europe for 2 years in a motorhome, all while working and earning a living. During this trip, we gained experience and some tips to both discover countries but also earn enough money to protect ourselves from the future. So don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel, but also to our other networks where we provide free useful content on van life and digital nomadism. And now let's go back to our content. First up, how do you manage your mail while constantly on the move? When you live in a van, traditional mailboxes are out of the question. But don't worry, there are some great alternatives. One popular option is using a mail forwarding service. These services receive your mail and then send it to wherever you are, even if that's a different location every week. They can even scan your mail and email it to you, which is super handy for urgent documents. Another option is getting a PO box. This works well if you have a base location you return to frequently. For those who want a more personal touch, using a friend or family member's address as your mailing address can be a great solution. Just make sure it's someone reliable who can let you know when important mail arrives. You can also look into virtual mailbox services. These services give you a real street address and can manage your mail digitally. They'll notify you when you receive new mail, and you can choose to have it scanned, forwarded, or shredded. It's all about finding what works best for your lifestyle. Next, let's tackle something a bit more daunting. How do you deal with taxes as a van lifer? Taxes can be tricky when you're not rooted in one place, but it's manageable with a bit of planning. The first step is to identify your state of domicile, the state you consider your permanent home. This is crucial because it determines where you file your state taxes. Many van lifers choose tax-friendly states like Texas, Florida, or South Dakota. Why these states? Well, they have no state income tax, which can save you a lot of money. Plus, they make it relatively easy for nomads to establish residency. For example, in South Dakota, you only need to spend one night in the state and have a mailing address there to establish residency. Once you've picked your state of domicile, keep good records of your expenses and income. This will make tax time much easier. Consider using an online tax service or consulting with a tax professional who understands the nomadic lifestyle. They can help you navigate any tricky situations and ensure you're complying with all the necessary regulations. Now, how do you go about registering your vehicle when you're living in it full-time? Registering your van can be straightforward if you plan ahead. Again, your state of domicile plays a big role here. Choose a state that makes it easy for full-time travelers. South Dakota, for instance, is very popular because of its simple registration process and no vehicle inspections. They even allow you to handle renewals online, which is super convenient. To register your vehicle, you'll typically need proof of insurance, your driver's license, and any vehicle inspection certificates if required. Some states also require proof of residency, which can be a utility bill or a document showing your address. In states like South Dakota, a receipt from a stay at a campground or hotel can serve as proof of residency. Don't forget about vehicle insurance. Make sure your policy covers you adequately, especially if you're traveling across multiple states. Some insurance companies offer policies specifically for full-time RVers and van lifers, so it's worth looking into those options. So, what's the bottom line for living on the road with all this admin stuff? Living the van life means embracing freedom, but it doesn't mean you can ignore responsibilities like mail, taxes, and vehicle registration. With a bit of planning and some smart choices, you can handle all your admin tasks without stress. The key is to stay organized, keep good records, and choose the right services that cater to your nomadic lifestyle. So, get out there and enjoy the open road. You've got this. And remember, a little bit of planning goes a long way in making your van life experience smooth and hassle-free. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more van life tips and tricks. Safe travels, everyone.